We are walking into Walmart to get our ingredients. You guys ready? You excited?
My legs hurt.
Why?
Cause I was in that car for like 2 hours.
I had to pick up my aunt and take her home, but anyways, we're here. I'm gonna just let them do their thing. Got your list? I have it right here. It's Caleb's list. So cute. Okay, we already started off wrong. We've seen these and we want them, but that's not a part of the video. This is just us wanting them. All right, let's go.
Oh, chocolate sprinkles.
Chocolates? No, but let's go in order. Is there anything you guys need from here? Chad, do you need anything fruit?
Yeah.
What?
No.
Where's your list?
On your phone.
No, it's on your phone.
No, I sent it to you.
Yes, but it's on your phone and I'm recording.
I already know my list. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I got it.
All right, go. Okay. Go ahead, put it in the cart. Yeah. Yeah, put it in the cart.
How much is this one?
It says it's $2.
$2 and that one's
$4.
okay. So let's get this one.
Mom, that's the cake.
Yeah.
Look, Mom, I'm gonna get this so it blends it.
That's brownies. You're gonna make a brownie layer?
Yeah, and then can I make the vanilla to make it look like an order?
Yes.
Okay. That's
You're
a lot
gonna
of
get
money though.
It's okay. You need the white cake now?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Look, they have French vanilla. They have
Wait, which one is this one? Tastes
yellow,
like vanilla, right?
white.
No, I don't want white. I want this.
They have this vanilla, cause that's French vanilla. That's regular vanilla.
Oh, I want regular. It's French. You like French?
I don't know. I've never had it.
Yeah, so we're just gonna get normal.
Okay. Okay, this is what we got. A bunch of junk food. All right, come on. Okay, guys, so we're home. We have everything set up. I'm gonna show you guys in just a second, but they're gonna go ahead and start. I'm going to only help when they ask for help and obviously make sure they don't get burned and stuff. I'm gonna try my best because I'm a control freak. So I like things done my way, but I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna let them be. However they do it is perfect. So I'm gonna show you guys their setup. Okay, so this is the stuff that Caleb is gonna use. He has a couple of fridge stuff that he hasn't pulled out yet, but he's gonna start with his Oreos, and then Chad, I think he's gonna start with cake. I don't know. Obviously, has a little snack here. All right, let's start.
1/3 of vegetable. Slippery.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
This is ready.
Take his out. Oh, he just flipped it over.
Cut it.
He flipped it over. Oh yeah, he cut it. Yeah, he
But I think he said let it cool. It'll be easier to cut and it won't crumble on you.
Okay.
Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
What are you getting ready for?
I'm trying. You get a spoon.
Okay.
Hey, this is Caleb's final product.
Soup. Chocolate soup. No, hurry up. How? Oh.
Alright, Bob, give me your phone.
Wait, can you give me your phone?
God. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Chef Reed, how do I eat this?
Okay. I know. Tight chocolate.
Alright, you ready?
Ready?
I can't believe I'm forced to eat this.
Bro, okay, then don't eat it then. Don't eat it then.
No, he's in his feelings.
Like, nobody cares. Alright, y'all ready? 3,
2, 1, go.
I got dry mouth now. It's so rich.
Can I get some whipped cream?
Me too.
I need some water. That's what I need.
I know.
I told you.
Yo, the dark chocolate tastes horrible.
Mom, you need my water is a baby. You grab it.
So y'all only water for real? Yeah. So.
No, Papa. You know what you need, Papa? For Chad, you need a whole gallon of water.
Mama, can I get some?
Don't eat too much because you still have to try Chad.
Okay, Mama.
Yeah, don't eat too much of my lovely stuff because I'm gonna save it for later.
It's gonna be better when it gets.
Oh! It tastes way
Yeah, I
better.
don't need. Nope.
It tastes way better.
Ew, you put your dirty fork on our stuff.
My stuff!
Alright, you ready? Let's eat it again.
So I'm the judge, right?
Yeah, both of y'all are the judge.
And then we gotta. Then we
Eat
gotta.
the thing. You're not even eating it.
Me and her gotta talk.
Get out, Caleb.
Why are you chewing in
He
my
said an
ear?
8, Caleb.
Did y'all eat it?
I'm
You
good talking.
can't eat the whole thing.
This is busting.
Who? It's not bond like.
He really
Okay.
But
Okay. Alright, Chad, pull yours out.
keep eating.
whoa!
Mama, eat the chocolate. Have you even ate the whole? Oh my gosh, y'all are not
Babe.
even eating it.
What do you mean?
What?
Like somebody had diarrhea. That was like
Okay,
somebody
sure.
ate Caleb's and
Get a
didn't
close up.
play.
Where is it?
Oh, on the couch.
Help me!
Put it down.
Help yourself, kid. It's your pet.
I need to talk you to refill my appetite.
Okay, Caleb, what is the name of yours?
Spread master.
So it's called the
Queen Big Bow.
Oreo Whipped 3000.
He didn't make this.
Yes, he did. Get a knife, Chad.
No, this how they do
I
it.
need one too.
Wow.
This how they do in the show. Pick from it.
Stop.
Oh my gosh.
Babe, you're not getting the full effect. Stop.
Alright, bro. If I don't win, then there's something wrong. There's something wrong with this.
Oh yeah. This Sunday, Johnny eat. This Sunday, you feed the pigs.
Stop being rude to my son.
I'm the
He
judge.
worked hard on it.
I'm the judge. This is my show. I'm the judge.
Can I get a piece?
Yo, I'm actually scared to eat this, mama. It looks so scary.
I actually like yours.
Alright guys, so after talking to our taste buds and critiquing this two messy cakes,
How is this messy, bro?
messy but tasteful. Okay. So, well, two things we take away from both cakes. Caleb's, yours could have been a little bit more, what's that word called? More bonded. It's like it's just falling like a volcano. And Chad, your icing, if your icing was a little bit a different flavor, you'd have probably got a 4 out of 10. No, I'm joking.
Wait.
How good? No, you'd have probably got a 9 out of 10.
Wait, Papa.
You'd have probably got a 9. The judge is talking. You'd have probably got a 9 out of 10. But
I got a 7.
we are going to announce the winner of. I think it's gonna have to be a tie. We can't. They're both delicious, and we can't. It's hard to judge.
Okay, but it's delicious, but the
It's delicious.
creativity.
The creativity. The creative. What's that again?
Creativity.
The creativity.
Creativity.
No, the creativity says it's there. It's both there.
Mine has more.
It's just that if you guys would have took your time, one step back, and use your heart, it would have came out a lot better.
I did use my
No.
heart.
You did, but you put this white sauce that I don't like, and it's like a volcano. You know,
There's nothing
I'm
wrong.
running for my life. But it's delicious. It's delicious. So listen, it's a tie.
Listen.
It's a tie. So whoever gives me the most money, they're gonna win.
No.
You gotta persuade the judge.
Listen, if you went to a store, so that's how we're gonna do it. If you went to a store and you seen both of these cakes, which one would you choose?
Honestly, I'll get this one. That one looks like a bunch of worms.
It's sprinkles. How is that warm?
That one looks like it's been to a fiesta. Oh my God. And this one looks like the aftermath of the fiesta.
Oh, he does. Okay.
You have icing and an Oreo. You don't have none of the cake. Ray Charles can see that.
Did you just pop gas? No. That was John.
It literally came from over here.
That was you?
It literally came from over here. Okay.
No, switch it. I look forward to doing that dirty stuff on my. I'm on Chad. I'm kidding. It's not Chad.
He's lying.
Go ahead, bro. Eat that one now.
Just don't listen to me. He's lying.
That one now, you need to be careful.
Bro.
It looked like it came from the Salvation Army. homeless shelter.
Dark chocolate.
Need some water?
Oh, who is this, bro? Nasty, bro. Oh my God.
Y'all listen, it's not like chocolate to eat this.
Yeah, you made that?
It's not bad.
Oh my God, this is disgusting, bro.
It's not disgusting.
No.
What happened?
You gotta be honest. That was good.
Which one was better?
This one.
That was on a scale of, okay. Listen, on a scale of 1 to 10.
That's 10.
10. Dang. And what's that? So we got a check?
I got an aftertaste.
So we got a champion. Chad's the champion of the 2013-23 cook-off.
Throw stuff on, Mama.
Caleb, even if you throw stuff
All
on.
his stuff is from scratch.
Caleb,
he literally made everything.
I made this from scratch, Kim. He literally grabbed a box and then just dumped it in and they created.
But Caleb, look, I respect it, but like.
You don't like Oreos?
Caleb, the only thing
Bro,
is
that tastes more like Oreos than that.
I know.
it has Oreos
This
on
is
top.
like dark chocolate, right?
And you're the one who crumbled up his stuff for him? Wow, you beat his Oreos up and then he ended up winning the championship.
No, I crumbled up my Oreos.
Oh, you did?
I like them both.
Yeah, I got it. I don't like.
You don't like chocolate, that's why.
No, but that one makes your mouth dry and it's too rich.
That's good.
Very rich.
That's good.
No, that's bad.
Literally, if a kid eats the whole
Can we play
cake, you
basketball?
might go to the hospital.
Alright, and then after we play 2K, come on, let's go, guys.
All right.
Stop your recording.
Okay, and that is it for today's video. They were both good.
Yeah, that's gonna be a cringy video.
Yeah, this was Caleb's idea, and I think he did really good.
So obviously I won.
It was very rich, and if you don't like chocolate, you're not gonna like it. But I really liked it. I thought they were both really good. So yeah, I can't pick because I think they're both good. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
So close, yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that.